Hello everyone, good morning all of you, and I hope all of you are keeping well, keeping safe and staying indoors. Today I'll continue with the next part of chapter 2, that is population. In the last class I concluded with some important demographic indicators. Today I'll be starting with the stages in the growth of population, first in general and then I'll take up India. There are 5 stages in the development of a country's population. The phase in which a country's population stands, like whether it is in the first phase, second phase, or third phase, the phase in which a country's population stands is determined by its industrial, agricultural, educational, medical, and infrastructural development as much as the central planning of the country and necessary allocation of resources. That means whether a country is in the first stage, whether it is moving from the first stage to the second stage, second to the next, it will depend upon the development of the country and how much government intervention is there to bring about a development of the country and set in equilibrium the population dynamics. Okay, I'll again come and explain that in my subsequent slides. The first stage is almost always the same in all countries, even countries which are very developed today, those which have reached a stage of declining population or have a constrictive population pyramid, all once upon a time started with the first phase. The pace at which this stage, that means the pace at which the first stage transforms into the next stage, proceeds to the next one, will be decided by factors peculiar to the country under reference. That means the set of factors which function in India may not be the same in other countries. So each country will have its own set of factors which will influence the pace of change of population from one phase to the other. Some countries, like in India, only 4 stages in the development of population have been identified. So in general, there may be 5 stages, but some countries can consider its 3-stage development. Countries like India have a 4-stage development. Now let us see what are the different phases of population. High stationary phase, early expanding phase, late expanding phase, low stationary phase, and a declining stage.